guys, welcome back here on my channel. So this video I'm going to do unboxing for this KitchenAid mixer. Hi guys, welcome back here on my channel. So this video I'm going to do unboxing for this KitchenAid mixer. So I've been dreaming this for a long time. So I got the small one only, guys, because I'm not usually baking big amount of cookies, something like that, because we're just only me and my husband. So I just get the 4.5 quarts. So here you go. There's the English. So tilt head stand mixer with 4.5 quarts and a 4.3 liters. So let's do unboxing. So I get a cutter here. So excited, and I love red. So the color of this is emerald red. So lately I'm start like baking, so I don't have good mixers, so I'm using only a hand mixer. So this time I get this one, and it's on sale, so I grabbed the opportunity to get this good price. It's a good deal. Here's what's inside. Of course, the manual, and here's the different, I guess, parts of KitchenAid. Oh my goodness, nice one. Is it heavy? Is it heavy? Is it heavy? I guess it's heavy. Here we go. So here you go. That's what it looks like inside. There's the one. This is what it looks like. KitchenAid.